We've got a backup on the main conveyor. We need to shut down the hopper feed immediately.
We have too much coming through on line 3. Adjust the flow rate now.
Keep the pace up, we're falling behind the quota. And watch out for the broken glass on station 4. The amber line is showing a slight bottleneck at the intake.
We need to adjust the pressure on the third air jet.
The vibrating conveyors feed the crushed glass beneath these powerful separators, a crucial step in removing contaminants before... The neural net is hitting 99.8% purity on the recycled stream, and the new ejectors are handling the ceramic load perfectly.
We have a fluctuation on gauge 4. Test flying.
Acknowledged. Increasing flow rate by 5%. We have stabilization at 1550.
Confirmed. Monitor the next batch.
Consistency is steady at 1200 degrees Celsius. Thermal balance looks good, no spikes in the last 5 minutes.
Blasted by industrial fans, the newly annealed glass reaches a stable temperature. This critical stage ensures the high-speed AI systems scan every bottle for defects using continuous laser flashes and high-resolution cameras.
The alignment tolerance is slightly off on the third arm. We need to adjust the calibration.
Okay, I see it. I'll input the new parameters now.
Every pallet is tracked in real time, ensuring accuracy from the warehouse floor to its final destination.
All right, next load coming in. Keep the flow steady. We need to clear Bay 4 by the hour. We're approaching the interchange, ETA revised to 900 hours. Watch for congestion on the east approach.
Roger that. Convoy holding speed and spacing. All units accounted for.
The newly recycled glass arrives here for meticulous inspection before entering the high-speed filling lines.
Check the pressure on line 3. It's fluctuating slightly.
I see it. Adjusting the flow rate now.
Here we see the high-speed capping machines in action, utilizing synchronized rotary mechanisms to seal thousands of bottles every minute.